What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Boost. And behind me is the S13 drift car 1UZ, and it is here at the Skidpad, and we are testing after 6 months. Technique, Italian paddle beaters came together and the car is here. So yeah, we're not doing some crazy things. We're really just testing the car, making sure that everything works, but I can't believe it's moving under its own power. Stay tuned, today's video is going to be super cool, just some testing. But thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below, and I will see you in the car. I'm just going to drive around.
Feel the diff. That's the diff. Okay. It's running right so far, no issues. Try to do a spirited little 360 with like a light. Okay, cool, that's fine. How's it feeling to you? How's it feeling to you? Happy?
I'm happy. Just gonna, how's it running?
Park, you know it's 100%. Park it there, it's fuel it up. Check the temp, oil, water temp is 82. Didn't even go up once.
Okay, we're in the car for the actual first test. We're just driving around earlier just to make sure that fueling was alright. And yeah, I don't know if you can hear me clearly, but alignment is not set. Steering wheel is slightly skewed, so yeah, I'm just gonna fuel the car out, not do anything crazy, but yeah, let's go, super keen. What? Comment the car from pushing it out of a driveway to actually testing it for the first time. I can't thank the team at Technique enough. They really put this car together, and yeah, first test was cool. A lot of things that we're just feeling out, but I'm keen to take it out again and see how we do. So yeah. Sick. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much to every single one of you for watching and for being a part of the channel. We are almost on 1K subs and it's so crazy to think that we're here already. Part 10 was successful, the car ran, it drove, and we took it sideways for the first time, and it's only going to get more exciting from here. Have to definitely give a massive shout out to all the partners involved with the build. First and foremost, Technique, Marco and the entire team, thank you guys so much. Italian panel beaters, thank you guys so much. FTF, the Fuel Line Kings, thank you guys so much. Arc Performance, hooking me up with the Spitronics and building me an amazing harness, thank you so much. Liatros Performance Parts, hooking us up with all the material we needed for the exhaust. And last but not least, thank you so much to all of you for subscribing and being a part of the channel. I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, keep well and keep boosting.